So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will come with 4 cameras on the back. The information belongs to sammobile.com, and yeah, like always, it's time to talk about an upcoming Note flagship just when we are expecting a new S phone to enter the shipping process. According to the report, the Galaxy Note 10 may debut with a quad camera setup, making it Samsung's second flagship of this year to have such a capture mode. Interestingly, this new device that Samsung is working on bears a different model number that again hint towards a 5G variant and also a good possibility of the 4G LTE variant with a triple rear camera setup. To be very clear, Samsung needs to launch at least 2 variants of the Note 10 just to maintain the pricing, as a 5G variant with quad camera setup, maybe dual camera on the front, ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, and some more features will obviously hike pricing. Samsung has also uploaded a full hands-on video of the Galaxy Fold that reveals every side and features of this phone. It looks very premium, and the transition from the phone to tablet is so smooth that it doesn't feel gimmicky at all. I'll link down the video in the description box. Do check that out. According to a Samsung official, Samsung could rebrand its flagship next year. The reason is that they believe it will be so not cool or actually difficult for the people to pronounce the Galaxy S11, S12 and so on. The official says Samsung is aware that after the S10, people may not like the longer names that will come with 2-digit numbers if we stick to the current system. I really don't know why companies think out of the brain zone. We have a couple of smartphones with big name and I think we pronounce them correctly. So why to skip such a good series? They have a good reputation in the market and I don't want it to get some new different name. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.